I will show you how to change eBay personal account to business in 2025. The first step is to open your eBay account. Then go to the top left corner, click Account Setting. Click Personal Information. Here, there is a lot of information about personal info. In this account, type your account is still listed as an individual. To change it, you must sell some products on eBay. Later, there will be an edit button here, and your account can be changed to business, like the picture here. That's all. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure hit subscribe button.